Welcome to our in-depth review of the VEVOR commercial ice maker machine, a game changer for any home bar, coffee shop, or commercial kitchen. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-capacity ice maker, stay tuned as we dive deep into the features, performance, and user experiences of this powerhouse machine. Let's get started. The VEVOR commercial ice maker arrives securely packaged to ensure no damage during transit. Our model came in 2 shipments, with robust packaging that protected the unit and its components. Included in the package are all the necessary accessories: ice scoops, a water supply hose, a water supply connector, and a water draining hose. Also provided is a professional electric drainage pump for efficient water discharge from melted ice. Let's take a closer look at what makes the VEVOR commercial ice maker stand out. This model boasts a powerful 850-watt second compressor, capable of producing up to 350 pounds of ice in just 24 hours. Each cycle takes between 8 to 15 minutes to produce 156 clear, cube-shaped ice pieces, each measuring 0.9 inches. The machine's exterior is constructed from heavy-duty brushed stainless steel, offering both durability and a sleek, professional appearance. Inside, the food-grade PP injection liner ensures safety and longevity with strong impact resistance. The easy-touch LCD panel is a standout feature, providing real-time diagnostics and control, with options like auto-clean, reservation settings, and ice thickness adjustments. This panel makes the machine incredibly user-friendly. When it comes to performance, the VEVOR ice maker excels. Equipped with a premium water filter, it produces crystal-clear, harder ice cubes that are perfect for a variety of uses. The 6-sided cyclopentane foam layer provides excellent insulation, ensuring that the ice remains frozen for up to 7 hours. The machine's storage capacity is impressive, holding up to 300 pounds of ice, making it ideal for high-demand environments such as hotels, supermarkets, and restaurants. Convenience is key with the VEVOR ice maker. Built-in blue light strips make it easy to see the ice inside, and the machine's compact size, at 35 by 22 by 67 inches, ensures it fits seamlessly into any space. The included electric drainage pump efficiently handles the melted ice water, preventing any overflow or mess. Whether you choose to install it as a built-in, freestanding, or under-counter unit, just ensure there's a nearby water outlet for optimal functionality. Customer feedback for the VEVOR ice maker has been overwhelmingly positive. One user highlighted the machine's affordability and ease of setup, stating that they had ice within the first 18 minutes of operation. They also praised the machine's performance in a high-demand pizza restaurant environment. Another customer, who has purchased multiple units, appreciated the machine's ice production capacity but noted challenges with customer service and parts replacement. They advised potential buyers to ensure they have a backup plan for sourcing parts post-warranty. In summary, the VEVOR commercial ice maker machine offers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and convenience. With its high ice production capacity, user-friendly features, and robust construction, it's a reliable choice for any business that requires a steady supply of ice. Whether you're running a busy coffee shop, a bustling bar, or a large restaurant, the VEVOR ice maker is up to the task. While there are some considerations regarding customer service and parts availability, the machine's overall value and efficiency make it a top contender in the market. Thank you for watching our comprehensive review of the VEVOR commercial ice maker machine. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and guides. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Until next time, keep your drinks cool and your ice makers running smoothly.